Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a cowboy.
All right, to draw our cowboy, we're going to start with a background real quick. I'm going to grab some pale blue and our square brush and just paint in a sky. Right below that, I'm going to grab kind of a pale orange color. And I'm going to paint in some sand, like it's maybe the desert or the Wild West. I'm going to make our brush quite a bit smaller. We'll grab let's put that color. We'll put some cliffs in the background. Just like that. Maybe we'll grab a green and put in a couple cactuses. All right, now that we have our background, we can get working on our cowboy. And so the first thing I want to do is just kind of get the shape correct. So our cowboy is going to need a head. First, we'll use an oval shape like this. And I'm going to switch to my marker tool. Okay. He's also going to need a body, so we'll give him a little bit of neck and then a rectangle shaped body. And we'll color it in. I want this cowboy to be a little cartoony, so we're going to make some wild legs on this guy. We're going to start here on this rectangle, and we're going to do a curve that goes up and then down like this, and another one on the other side. Okay, we're going to, at the bottom, put a flat line like this, and a flat line like this. And from the end of that flat line, we're going to kind of copy this curve, but smaller. So just like this. And we're going to color those in. And I know he looks a little bit silly, but he will come together, I promise. All right, this cowboy is going to be using his lasso. So we're going to give him an arm that comes up like this. With a little ball on the end. And another arm that comes up like this with another little ball on the end. And now that we've got the basic shapes that we want to play with, we can go ahead and kind of color them in and add some details. So the first thing I want to do is I want to give him some boots. And I think his boots should be a dark brown color. They're going to go, and they're just going to be little triangles. So we're going to go out and then back into that original shape. So out and back into the original shape, and we're going to color those in. I've made one a little bigger than the other, so I'm just going to even it out. Okay, like that. I'm going to grab a gray color. And behind, these are his pants. So these are the boots, the pants come over them, and right behind them, we're going to put some little spurs on. They're really easy. You just make an X. I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller though. You're going to make an X. Then you're going to draw a line through your X like that. And we'll put one on the other side. All right, so there's his spurs. We're going to put on his trusty blue jeans. We're going to go find a nice dark blue. We're going to use that marker tool to color in his jeans. So you just follow the shape that we made earlier. And color it in. We'll do the same on the other side. And right here at the bottom of our torso, we're just going to draw a straight line to finish those pants off. And you can kind of play with changing the shapes. All right, next I'm going to give him a shirt to wear. We're going to go with a nice crisp white shirt. We're going to start right under those ball shapes. Those are going to end up being his hands. And then we're going to color in his arms. And we'll color in his chest. I'm going to go back and find that dark brown color that we had earlier. And right on where his shoulder should be, we'll draw 2 straight lines. And then we'll draw 4 lines down. And this is going to be a little vest. We'll color those in. I'm going to give him a nice big yellow belt buckle. Grab some yellow, make that marker tool quite a bit smaller, and we're just going to draw a square. We'll go grab some black, and inside that square we'll just fill it in, like that. I'm going to go grab a darker red color, and around his neck we're going to tie a little handkerchief. So we're going to start with a circle. And from that circle, we're going to draw a curve down. On the other side, we'll do the same, a curve down. And from the line we just made, we'll curve back up. And we'll color it in. Next, I'd like to give him some eyes. So we're going to use our marker tool to put 2 dots in. Oh, a little bigger than that. We'll make it smaller and use our black to put in his pupils. Oh, that one's looking awful silly. Oh, I don't know if it's better. All right, we're going to use our black to make little teeny eyebrows like this. We'll give him a nose by making a curve. Might need a smaller marker yet. We'll make a curve for the nose and a curve for his mouth. Next, we're going to go grab this white and we're going to put the collar on his shirt. So we're going to do a triangle right under the jaw and color it in. All right. And this wouldn't be a very good cowboy if he did not have his cowboy hat. So I'm going to go back and get the dark brown that we have for our boots and our vest, and we're going to give our cowboy a hat. So making our marker just a little bit bigger. We're going to start about middle of the head, and we're going to do a gentle curve up. From the end of that, we're going to put a little C, and we're going to curve back toward the head. On the other side, we're going to copy that shape. You'll notice that our arm is in the way. So when you get to the hand, we're going to pretend it goes behind it. And we're going to put a little C shape on the other side of his hand. And we're going to color that in, making sure that we leave the hand and the arm uncolored. So right now he just looks like a very silly clown. So what we're going to do is right next to his eyebrow, we're going to do a big C shape above his head. Starting over here, we're going to curve up. On this side, we'll curve up. And then we're going to make a little U shape right in the middle. And then we'll just connect those two lines. And then just color it in. I'm going to grab our black color and our marker. Starting over here where the top of the hat meets the side of the hat, we're going to do a C shape. And then we'll just make it a little thicker. All right, and that's the start of our cowboy. So finally, we need to get his lasso drawn. That's going to be a fun part. So we're going to grab a brown color. I think I want it a little thicker than that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so with the lasso, we're going to have it sit here on the ground. This is where you can get kind of fun because ropes are very fun to draw. You can put a little bit on the ground like that. We're going to take it up and to his first hand, we're going to do a C shape to his second hand. All right. And then this one, it's important to make it look like it's actually moving, that you do a straight line from the hand up like that. And then all we have to do from there is add his lasso, and it's just going to be an oval. And there you have it, a lassoing cowboy.